when the question, Ayn Allah, is asked, the person who's asking this question, he presumes that Allah is within some boundary of time and space. And that's why he says, where is he? Because the question about when or where means that something is time-bound and space-bound. The moment we put Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala within the boundary of space and time, then we make Allah, we impose upon him limitations. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not have any limitation. Occupancy of space and occupancy of time is our quality. It's not the quality of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is high and above and exalted from all deficiencies. Occupancy of space and occupancy of time is a deficiency. And Allah azza wa jal is high and above from all types and all forms of deficiencies.